You're welcome. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make posts to multiple social media um, account um, at the same time from the same dashboard. Different social media like Facebook, like Instagram, like Twitter, like LinkedIn, WordPress, Salesforce, and the normal WordPress, the LinkedIn, Medium, Reddit, and a whole lot of them like that from one an account. So you can manage yours. You can even schedule the next post that will be posted in the next 1 week, in the next 1 month, maybe tomorrow, the next 1 year. You can schedule them by certain date, and those posts will be delivered even when you are nowhere to be gone. That's how powerful our SalesUltimo is, and I'm going to be sharing that with you. Now, the first thing is this. Before you proceed to post at all, one of the things you have to configure with your SalesUltimo account is to go to API channels. For you to post to this platform, you need to seek kind of level of permission. The major permission, we have done that. Yes. Now, before I proceed with this, be careful with your account, with your pages. Don't spam. Yes, don't spam. Now, let me know. Also, the account you'll be able to post to is those accounts you have access to. Yes, so don't abuse it, because if you abuse it, those platforms will come for you. So don't do that. Just do ethical thing, normal thing. Now, for example, you have a Facebook page now, and you want to share content. Excuse me, and you want to share the content. So your next content for 90 days, you can sit down today and schedule everything with the content and just leave it. Then even integrate autoresponder, auto private reply, and auto reply from that you have set up in the previous training. Yeah, so that once people type something on your post, something automatically reply them. So we're going to see them. Now, number one is when you come to API channels. API channels, these are social media. So from here, you can post to Facebook and even Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, the blogger. If you have a blogger blog, then Reddit, then the normal WordPress, the WordPress host. This one will work for a different thing, but it still also work together. The same thing that was. So when you create your account, you need to make sure you integrate your API. Let's check Facebook first and see what we do. So we just work on that, or Twitter and LinkedIn. So you can just walk through and do that. So I don't want this video. So this one is default, as you have done under Facebook and Instagram for Instagram. So you just need to log in to make sure. If you check, these are my pages, these are my Instagram account, these are my groups, so I can post to this group. Then yes, we can do all that. So let's we integrate Twitter and LinkedIn and approve it, so you can do the rest. Almost the same process, just follow on the screen instruction, but you don't need to use all. It depends on the social media you're managing. So, okay, let's go to Twitter, for example. So we need to integrate Twitter API. Okay, so everything is also listed here. So when you get here, we've already done the some of these stuffs. The background SalesUltimo has already. SalesUltimo have already done that for you. So if any Twitter account that you want to be tweeting from here, just import it. Yes. So don't forget, on the browser you're using, you must have logged into that particular Twitter account. Yes, to that particular Twitter account. So that's very, very important. You need to. So now click authorize. If there is no issue, your Twitter account is already imported. You're going to see the details. This one I'm logging. This one account. So that other account. Just make sure that browser you are logged into that particular Twitter account that you want to use. Now linking. So let's import a LinkedIn. Okay. let's check the linking. The linking has also been imported. So you do the same thing to Reddit. If you have a Reddit account, you import your blogger, you then import a WordPress account, then self-host WordPress site. That means those websites that is hosted via your hosting on your own host. This is normal WordPress.com. This is WordPress.org. Then the Medium, you can also import Medium. Now Medium will require some kind of permissions, integration token. You go to log into your Medium account and get under your profile and settings, all of those things, get your token and put it. Then you'll be able to bring in your Medium. So from here you can do that. But mostly we're going to be working with Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn for the purpose of this training. You can go ahead and do do all these stuff. Yeah. So I want this video to be as short as possible, but I ended up explaining more and all those things. So um let's go to social posting. Let's go to social posting. So by your left menu at the dash from the dashboard. So yeah, now there's so many kind of posts you can make. I will take my time to explain each one of them. So we're going to see how it works. Now this site is for basically Instagram and Facebook posts. Multimedia, you can post link, image, and others. Then call to action is for the then carousel and video posts, which is also available here. Then live video streaming, if you want to go live with recorded video and all those things, so you can do that from here. Yes, social posts, so this is for other social account. And now you can, now this is bulk post planner. Okay, can we pick this one by one? I'll just quickly walk through and explain. We'll come back to this multimedia. We'll use it. Let's go to call to action so that we can see example of it. And then this carousel. Once we've done this, so we'll come back now. Now this is it. You want to post a call to action, so just put the name here. You have to pick the kind of call to action type. What do you want to happen? So play game, whatever you pick it that. You put your link here, then put the link here. Then auto reply. This is how it works. This work with. Then you can also schedule it. Then you can send. This is going to. Then you see your preview here. Yes, don't forget you are sending this to Facebook. Then you can schedule your time, you send it. So if you want to post for the next 30 days, you put it there. Then you can pick pages where you are posting to here. You can pick here. So individual, each of these posts have where then you pick a reply. Now if you have set up comment auto reply, you pick any one of them here. Like for me, I can just choose this. So that means if I made a post, once anybody made a comment, this auto reply template I've set up before now will auto reply them and drag and send them also a DM message. DM message or messenger, then they become my leads like that. So that is it for it. So you can pick the pages you are using all this from. I'm not going to post all that. I just yes. Now this is carousel. So here you put the name, pick the pages that you are sending it to. Those pages, then tap your message, then you upload the images here, then you can send it to. And yes, the video slideshow, so if it's so you can come here and use a video slideshow, then get it there. Yes. So now for social media, Let's check the same thing. Okay, let's quickly check on these now. So it depends on where. So this is first Facebook, and once you can select all this, you can select all. So you pick all my pages. So from here, I can post to all my pages at a go. Then I'll come to Twitter, select my Twitter, come to LinkedIn and select my LinkedIn account. Then what? The message I want to put, I just type here something. Yes, if it's Reddit, I put Reddit and Medium's title, then a campaign, whatever you want to put it, put your title here. Then if you want to post now, you leave this check. If you want to post later, then you schedule it, set your time and all those things. Then it will go to all those accounts, including all these at a go, to be delivered to them, and your subscriber in those pages will be able to see it. Now, one advantage, you can set up this one auto feed, auto YouTube post. Let's pick this auto WordPress posts, all those things. So you can add, you need to add your YouTube channel, your feed name, your YouTube channel ID, you add there, and you add the feed. So the feed will automatically be delivered to your followers on those pages. Now let's quickly check this also before we do one, make one practicals. Then you can do that. Now, if you want to, what do you call? You want to have a kind of blog post, and so use a planner. So you can just download this a kind of a sample CSV, then use that. So let's quickly read through. So one thing that gives you a clue: upload a CSV file with the following headers field: campaign name, campaign type, message, and source. This field must be in the header of CSV file. These are mandatory, but some value of them are optional. In order of the head field should be in the order as you are seeing here, but random order may not be a problem. The campaign type must be text, image, or link. So you can have this in a CSV Excel document, in a CSV file, put it together, download this sample and use it. Then you can blog post if there's a need for you to do that. So you can plan your posts for as long as you want, so you don't download. Yes, now let's quickly do a practice of multimedia to Facebook and yes, available Instagram handle them. Yes, now so let's you can go to campaign list here. Campaign list, you will see the list of a list of your the posts you have made available here. So click, you see there's none here because I've done this a training account. Now I pick on multimedia and I'm here. Now on multimedia, I can send a text campaign, I can send a link. If I choose to go by link, I can send image and carousel, and then I can post to all my pages at a go. Yes, so all of them at a go. So but we'll not do all of them. Let's quickly just work on yes. Now not all of them are compatible with Instagram. So if you click on Instagram, if it's not compatible, media type not compatible, if you click on this, so how the video will look like, is it's going to this particular Instagram handle. Now this is what we're going to be doing. So now we are the pages. We are the pages. So I'm going to do this. Let's do image and carousel. So where do you want to publish it to? First, that's Facebook pages. Click. If you want to publish to all your Facebook pages at a go, just how you pick them at a go. You know how this can be. Now for for those who have manage multiple accounts. Imagine you just type one post and it's going to Instagram, going to all your group, maybe announcement. Yes. So for me, let me see, and let me see which pages I should send to. So I go to all of them, and they go. No, I don't want. I want pages I can easily, because they are not in the same niches. So I should have to be careful on which of them. Okay. No, what I want to post is number. I don't want to post uh, things that. So what I'm doing is carousel. I'm posting either image or carousel. Now group. I'm going to be which of this group I'm posting to. Can post here. Then possibly, yes, I don't want to post here. If it's all the group, just pick it. Then Instagram account. Are you posting to all the Instagram account? I want to. If you want to post all of them, you select them at a go. I have multiple Instagram accounts attached to this, but I'm not posting to all. I just want to be sure of which one I'm posting to. Yes, you can see this. So if you have 100 Instagram account, you have 100 Facebook, you pick them, or have 100 group. Now don't forget, your Instagram account must have been linked. So that's the first thing you do with your SalesUltimo and the kind of Instagram account. Some people, when they import their Facebook account, they don't see Instagram account. That means your Instagram account is not a business account. Convert it to business account is very simple. Under the setting, the account and all those things, so you convert them. So then the group you can post to are group where you are the admin. Yes, where they had me, the group you can, yes, no. If you don't have a, yes, you can't even import the post here, you know. So you can't even impose the group here. So it's be your own group. It's not a tool. SalesUltimo is not a tool for spamming. So now, so what do we do? Now, what's the name of the campaign? You put the name of the campaign and you type something. I just want to say, now I want them to, let me put something here. Can I quickly remember something, type something just for the test of the class? Have you gotten SalesUltimo or have you gotten WordPress Expert? Let me see. Okay. Okay. So I just want to be, yes, I don't want to waste time with this training. So just whatever you want to type, you put it here. And this for the training. If I want to schedule it, I will select the time here. So I can say, okay, pick this is for recording. So you can select the periodic, how you want this post to be posted. If you want it to be read, then your time where you want to go. But I want it posted now. So yeah. Now we are doing carousel. Let me upload images. I'll still come back now. I'll still come back to display. Link. Okay, what I'm posting, I want to post about SalesUltimo. Let me pick where it says SalesUltimo here. So I want to make sure I'm not, because once I post now, it's going live to those pages. I want to make sure what I'm posting is going to the right place. I'm not posting content that belong to other niches. Yes, okay, let's upload. I want to upload. I will look for some images or image, let me go to, yes, download SalesUltimo images. Yeah. So for example, I would like to pick this. Yes, let me look for another images. Okay, I'm looking for something else. Yeah, let me look for something else. I want to pick things I can use here. So let me pick one more, and that's all. When you're doing, yes, when you're up creating a carousel, yeah. Now this display is how it's gonna look like on. Uh, yes. So these are the images I want to. So now you have a limit of 10 images. In Facebook, you posted as multi-images post. Instagram as carousel. Instagram carousel post as support. Also support images plus video. For Facebook multi-page post, video will be ignored. So for Facebook carousel post, go here. Okay. So now we are doing this with this. Yes. Now that's just it. So if you want to do that, you go to carousel. Now, if you're following me up here, so I'm trying to make sure everything is intact. So now this is just it. So I want to put a carousel now. I'll just stay here and post it. Everything being equal, this the multimedia post has been posted successfully. Yeah, multimedia, yes, the post. This is a multimedia, so you can pick a different type of post and get this done successfully. Okay, so something. Let's see, come back now. You said you can visit those posts in the post and see. Now, before then, what else you can do here? You you can get reports. You can edit the post. You can delete the post. Yes, let's for example, if I don't want to duplicate it, I can delete this if I want, but let me leave it for now. Yes. Okay, now this is the post we just made now. Now this is the post we just made now. So if you check, if I check my Instagram post now, it will also be there. Yes, now. Okay, now this is what I want you to understand. That's why I dropped the comment. While I was yes, okay, I put is it? I just got auto reply. Yes, because in the next few months I'll be sharing the result like more to you. You will like. If yes, click the link below to join this. Now this is auto responder message I just got now because I had it and this is comment. So it will reply this comment, then it will also send me a kind of message in my DM. Uh, yes, because I just made comment. So what you can do with this is you can when you are making a post, your objective is to engage your audience, and as they make comment, you want to auto reply them, get them into your bot, then they become your subscriber. Then you can always send them a broadcast. In another video, I will show you how you can send them broadcast or how you can get them to an existing flow, then convert them to your customer and make them to make some sales for you. Now I'll come back here. So now let's quickly do something else. Now let's assume I want to post so you can do carousel and slideshow properly, which is meant you should also be good at on Instagram. Let me see what else we can do. Let's try and quickly do this. The video is getting longer than I planned. Um, yes, so you can just send a text, kind of, let's say. just yes, okay, that was a mistake. Okay, so SalesUltimo, no. Yes, just want to, let's assume if you want to put title here, you can put title. That's for the purpose of Reddit. So that's my tweet. If I want to post now, I need to select where I'm posting this to. I can, yes, then on Twitter, I want it to go here too. Then on LinkedIn, I want it to go here too. So I've done that. I'll just create. So I'm sending to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, just like so. It will appear as a post on Facebook, as a tweet on Twitter, as a post on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to create the campaign. Campaign created successfully. So where is it? You can see list of campaign. So if you check the list of your campaign, those campaign for social posts there. Now this is telling you this is campaign name, the campaign time, single campaign, Facebook and Twitter. Then I can edit here. I can clone this campaign and resend it, fill the report. I can delete it. It's pending. Yes, once you deliver, once it's done, because it's going to multiple platform, so the cron job will take time. It will take some separate it and deliver one after the other. So once you come back here, you see it has gone. So that is how to post. No, okay. So if you want to edit it before you can deliver, you can do that. You can clone in and do that again. Okay, what else do we need to do now? So what you just need to do. So what you just need to do. Um, this section is for Facebook and Instagram alone. This section includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and the rest of them. So you can just make. You might not need all of them. So it depends on individually. So this platform is created for beginner, intermediate, and advanced users. So it depends on what you intend to use. If what else do I need to say? So I don't want this video to get longer than this, so that people can go through it then and implement it. Now, if you are using any of our tools, you encounter any error, just take your time, study the yes, study the error you are facing, the challenge you are facing. You can already reach our support. The SalesUltimo support team. They will respond to you. We have our machines support team there. Now you can see import your Facebook account, your other social account from here if you have not done that earlier. So for now, I want to stop here. There'll be more video later by each of these, but there's no big deal on how each of these things works. There's no big deal. No. Here is for CTA call to action. That thing I've gone through. So this is where auto reply, where you print. So like that auto reply I got the other time, something anywhere you have version to auto reply. So it depends on the kind of call to action you want to post. Then if you put the content here, it's which page, pick your page, the link, this is it. So I can put my content here. This is, I just want people to visit here. Yes, then you pick it. So all the pages you want to send it to, add them from here. So add them from here. Then you click campaign. This will be sent. Now if you want to schedule it, just you put this and set your time. So that means if you have 30 days post schedule, on maybe on the last day of previous month, you just arrange all of them, then you go and sleep. Or you can schedule your 90 days. Just set the correct date and the time that you want it to deliver, so that you can get all the. So that's about posts for now. So there are more posts that talk about this individual stuff that you can use later. But there's no big deal there. Just follow what we have done. Everything being equal. Thank you. Now.